How's it going, Rich Dream Builders? And hey, hit that subscribe button and you'll catch up all our videos out there. And we're doing a series of videos right now, simple projects. This is basically trying to keep all the tools that we use in our shop up off our workbench, so we're not always moving them, we're not knocking any off and breaking them, and we're hoping just to kind of cut down on the clutter a little bit. But it's also a pretty cool little project for a young person to learn how to do. They're really easy to make, and it just kind of gives them an introduction to woodworking. Today we're going to be building this right here. This is our router station. So when it's hung on the wall, the router will go right into it, just like that, and slide right out of there. So to learn how, yeah, it's still a little wet. To learn how we did it, just follow along with this video, and then grab up that child or grandchild and head them out to the shop and teach them a little bit of something about making a cool wooden project that they'll always remember. They'll see it hang in the garage one day and they'll be like, wow, I remember when we made that. That was a fun day. And it might just get them to make more projects, get them more into woodworking. So let's get started. All right, let's do it. So here we go here, and we go here, and here we go here. I did not realize this piece was cedar. It's very splintery. And these pieces go right in here somewhere, wherever I fit the best. So that'll be like so. That would be in like, I'm so clumsy today. About like that. Just bring these up to about the middle. Because our base has the slightest little curve in there. Going to make a T out of these. So first thing we're going to do, clean up our glue top. Notice when I got ready to pull the trigger, I moved my fingers back. you've ever seen somebody staple their finger to a piece of wood because the brad hit something hard in the wood and then went sideways, you will know not to get your fingers in the way. It hurts. So let's see if it fits this side a little bit better. And it does. So this side will be the bottom. Same with this. Since we cut a T, oh yeah, that's going to cut. Yeah. It's right there too, but it's perfect. So I'll put it this way. And that's really loose. So this side, it's just a tiny bit loose. Perfect. This is bottom. Now, didn't really need to write on it because I'm going to attach it right this second. So we're going to glue here. And glue. And glue. This, a little bit of pressure. Alright, so now we've got our router holder. Just like that. It'll sit up on that wall. Boom, boom, boom. Then when we need it, we can just pull it up out of there. Use it. Pop our router bit out. Excuse me. Pop our router bit out. Hang it back on the wall. You can choose to paint yours, or you can choose not to. You can stain it. You can do whatever you want with it. I would suggest not painting the deck here and underneath here. Maybe take a stick or something and get some sanding done, or actually, like I said, sand those beforehand and get that all nice and clean. But maybe put some wood wax in there just to kind of make it slide back and forth real easy. That's actually what I'm going to do. I'm going to brush some wood wax in there, and on this I'm not going to paint this. I'm just going to paint the outside runners on the bottom and the sides. So alright, well, got done with that project. I put a little bit of paint on ours. Like I said, I wasn't going to paint the back here. I just wanted to make sure that the router didn't stick like our circular saw was for a couple of days. I've got the paint all kind of scraped off of it now, so it doesn't scrape anymore, or it doesn't stick anymore. But, so, like I said, it was a simple little build. It's a great project for somebody to get them involved in woodworking. So, I hope you try it. I hope you do it. It'll be a great little fun project. Smash that subscribe button and hit that bell for notifications, and it'll tell you when our next videos are coming out. So again, Rich from Dream Builders, and we'll see you later.